Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we decided to go out on a walk and we are at Ponce Preserve and we're doing a lot of fun walking and climbing and a bunch of stuff, and we're bringing you guys along with us. So stay tuned. Recording. Hello. Hello guys. Here is Gian and Jayla. We are currently at Ponce Preserve. Is that Denise? What are you doing up there? You love the way they smell?
Yeah, I forget what kind of.
So we are going for a walk on a trail, and in the end we are supposed to be getting to the beach. It's always nice to go out and walk some trails or get a nice workout. I used to like to do this type of thing like years ago, and I still love it. I just, before having my son, I didn't get out much because I worked so much. So, yeah. But now that he's here and he's just taking everything in and looking around, yeah. But it's nice. You get your mind off of things, or even for some people, like taking a walk, a long walk, or like doing some type of exercise helps them like focus on some things, or think things. But for me, I like long walks helps me, I don't know, like relieve stress.
But that thing is very like slow. I don't know how she
There
found
was
it.
what?
I don't know how she found it.
Like a serious thing with seafood. I don't know what it is, but it's just so delicious. So this is where this is where Jay's favorite food is found. Yeah, this is where all my favorite food comes from. The ocean. Turtle. Oh. It's a turtle.
I caught it. It's cute. He makes me
There's a turtle right there. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I hope you can, but he's so cute. Turtle! Oh my gosh, look at the scenery, guys. There's my baby.
Seashell. You don't get it too.
You can't really see anything from here. Ah! What? Did you scratch your mouth? Somebody's ready for nap time. Hey, what are you doing eating my hair? Oh, sorry. My little one finally fell asleep after a lot of fussing and fighting. Those big cheeks. Oh, sun is in his eyes. We're looking for a playground somewhere in here. See if we can find it. We found the playground. Look at how pretty that bench is. So
That was
pretty.
not nice.
I bet you felt awake now.
A little bit.
Just a little bit.
A little bit. I'm looking on my chest. Okay.
Hey.
I'm riding a duck. I'm gonna go down the slide.
Do it. Do it.
Go down the fire pole. Go down the fire pole.